Listen to this.
Every soft touch turned into a new scar. I gave you love, you gave me pain, taught my heart to dance in the rain. I look for home in every name.
I created a singer persona in Suno AI so that I can get songs across genres like pop or country tracks, keeping the voice consistent throughout. And in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how Suno Personas work, including genre switching and how well the voice stays consistent. You will find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. To start, I created a persona from an existing song. First, find a song you like inside Suno. Click the three-dot menu next to the song. Then go to Create and click Make a Persona. This opens the persona setup screen, where you have a few customization options. You can name your persona, generate or upload an avatar, add a description, and choose whether the persona is public or private. By default, personas are public, which means other users can use them and they'll link back to your profile. If you want to keep it just for your own projects, you can switch it to private, and it will only be visible to you. Once created, you can find your personas anytime by going to the library in the Personas tab or by visiting their page directly. Now that the persona is set up, let's see how it actually performs when creating new music. Suno separates the vocals from the music after the new update, allowing you to lock the voice and reuse it across any genre. To update an existing persona, simply try using an older version. As soon as you do, a pop-up appears prompting you to upgrade. Click it to switch to version 5. Suno then processes the song, separates the vocal stems from the music, and prepares the persona for voice locking. At this stage, you'll need to select a clean vocal sample, ideally 15 to 30 seconds long. Choose a section with clear singing, some natural pauses or silence, and no background vocals or harmonies. This step is critical because the cleaner the vocal sample, the more accurate and consistent the voice will be in future generations. Once selected, name your persona and save it. Now the persona is ready to be reused across different styles and genres. Now let's use the persona to create new music. Start by switching to Custom mode in Suno. Above the lyrics field, you'll see the Personas section. From here, select the persona you want to use. Once selected, Suno automatically fills in the style of music field based on that persona. If you want to experiment or change genres, you can overwrite the style manually without affecting the voice. Next, click the gear icon next to the persona. This gives you two important options. The new vocal persona mode keeps only the voice, allowing you to freely change genres, tempos, and styles. The legacy persona mode keeps both the voice and the original music style. This works best if you want to stay close to the original sound and maintain consistency without major stylistic changes. You can select whichever fits your needs, depending on what you're creating. To really test personas, I did a genre swap. I started with a persona that was originally created from a pop song. This time, I changed the style of music to something completely different, like country or EDM. You can either let Suno generate lyrics automatically or paste on your own.
Coffee in your old gray sweater, window seat, late afternoon, sun on your knees. Coffee in your old gray sweater, window seat, late afternoon, sun on your knees.
The end result was impressive. The voice stayed consistent while the music style changed successfully. The emotional tone and instrumentation clearly matched the new genre, without leaking elements from the original pop style. This directly solves one of the biggest limitations Suno had before, where changing genres often caused the voice or emotion to drift. Now, you can reuse the same singer across multiple genres without losing identity. Suno Personas are currently in early access beta, which means they're not available to free users. You need at least a pro plan starting at $10 per month. Overall, Suno Personas give AI songs an identity that lives beyond a single track and unlock real creative freedom. So try out Suno Personas using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another helpful AI tutorial, check out this video next.